Welcome to Kids at Work Day! It's gonna be a lot of fun! Okay, let's just go in. I'm very proud to say your abuelito was in charge of the team that built this. A very advanced super weapon. It makes ice balls and fires them at your abuelo's enemies.
Well, why don't you just talk to them, abuelito?
Yeah, then maybe you could be friends and not enemies anymore.
Good point. This is where I hang out with some of my very best friends. Hi, Marcus! Anthony!
My name's Axel?
I'm Kira. Who are you?
Yeah. This is where my friend Steve... yeah. And finally, this is where I work 18 hours a day and usually sleep under my desk.
Where do you go to the bathroom?
Oh, that's just lemonade. This is a nightmare. I'm so boring.
Yay, Vinny! This is the best day ever!
You're so cool, abuelito.
I don't feel so good.